was just 2 years later, 1971, the Ulster Grand Prix, and the two strokes had arrived, Rainsy.
They had Jack Finlay on the Suzuki won the first two-stroke win, and perhaps quite appropriate, really, for that Jack Finlay won that one because he'd started off back in 1958 on the Old Nortons and Matchlesses he'd ridden and all those to then take the first two-stroke win. I think he was. He was a guy who again, was privateer mainly, but moved with the times and got on the two-stroke and came home in that Ulster Grand Prix first year. It was a part of transition really from the four strokes to the
Yeah.
two strokes.